Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. Yesterday I made a video about the US dollar index after NFP, what happened and what will happen, right? So, and then, according to the US dollar index, you can trade all the USD pairs, 7 of them. So similarly here, gold is also affected because of the USD strength. So let's see. This is the chart I made on October 15, gold monthly chart. And this is Elliott Wave count, right? This is big wave 3 ended here, big wave 4 ended here, and then wave 5 supposed to go to the upside. Out of that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this wave 5 of wave 5 should be going from here on. So this is how the chart is. So it starts to go exactly there, right? So this is where we're supposed to have wave 5 ending. So I made several monthly charts, but let's go take a look at the weekly charts when we are almost here on the top. This is how I made this chart. It's 14 January and it's a weekly chart. So we were here at that time. This is the level. This is the 1912 and 20 and 1916. So I said, okay, we're going to go up first here to this 78% or these two levels here, 1965 or 1959. From there, we're going to drop. And after that, 1802 probably, or maybe lower. And then we will go back up. So this was January 14th. And then what happened is this. Again, on January 28th, it's just messing around into this area here, right? But my chart, my prediction was still the same, that we're probably going to go up, hit this area around these highs, and then come down. So what really happened to this chart finally is, oh, by the way, that's what it is. And let me show you the weekly chart. Current weekly chart is this. So it went exactly where I said that, it touches 1959. And look what happened. Big time, nicely dropped here, right? And then it is even below 1877. So that means that, and it's a powerful candle, no wick in the bottom whatsoever. So next week is going to have follow through, and then it will drop maybe around 1802, I'm expecting. So this is what really happened, the weekly chart. At the same time, I made these 80-minute chart as well with a small move. This is the up move. And the drop was here, Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this could be, wave 1 of 5, then 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, right? So this wave 1, I said again here, you can see here that the prices was here. When my yellow mark saying that we're gonna go up and touch the 1959, and then drop to the 1790. 1959 was the key number to the upside. So first we have to go to the upside, then drop. So exactly what happened is that we start to go up here, and we were very close, 1959, just below that. And I said, well, this is the area we might be going down for wave 205. And I guess that this is what happened on that 2nd February. We drop a little bit, and then we went up again, right? So this drop and this went up, going up. I had a couple of trades. And then finally it touches the 1959 and then start dropping. And I had a big trade on that drop as well. Let me show it to you. This was the drop first on 31st January and drop. And it is, from 1924 to 1902. I got that. Then it went up again towards 1959. So I got in here 1942, right? And took it to 1953. 1959 was the borderline, the end of the road, right? So, and you start dropping from there after the NFP, and this is the big trade is this. From 1915, see this 1959, it touches that, and then start dropping. This is where I got in here, and I took it from 1915 to 1863 to 1862. This is the price, $1,862 worth, and then this is the area. I say 1862 weekly high, and my target is still. It might retrace first and then continue, but at least I think the 1802 which my chart was in the beginning that I made on October 15 was saying that, you know, 18, you're going to drop for 1802 and then probably going to go up, and or whatever, then we will see at that time, right? So this is how the gold is doing. A lot more to come. If you look at the weekly chart or monthly chart, this is just the beginning of coming down. 1802 is, see this here, 1802 is right there, 1802, 1790 or 1795, these two, right? So this is where it can easily come. US dollar got stronger after NFP yesterday, and it is going to get stronger even more. That will take this gold to the downside here somewhere. And then later on, we're going to go up because the wave 5 is underway right now. We ended wave 4 here, and then this is maybe it's not going to be very clear 5 waves here on the monthly chart, but on a smaller time frame, you can see the, you know, 5 waves. So this could be wave 1 now, dropping for wave 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5, somewhere here. Okay, this is what my analysis is, and this is how I'm taking the trades. Yesterday and after NFP, I had 10 trades, big one, in all USD pairs. This is how it is. Opportunity comes, and when it comes, you should take it, you know, avail it. If not, you know, time is gone, right? So this is how it is. It's going to drop, and after that, it's going to go back up again. So be on the alert, and then just, you know, trade accordingly. You know, the analysis is very, very important. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to do this analysis and stay on top of everything, then just can go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe, right? We have monthly subscription. You have one-on-one course there, where I'll teach you everything, you know, 10-hour course. So, and then my Telegram here, right there, where I constantly post heads up, the trades, entries, you know, not entries, but the setup, right? I do not provide signals, but I do give heads up, right? Heads up means that I have a setup to make the entry. If you notice that every trade has a setup, this is a setup. Yellow line has to be of the black. This indicator need to be all the way down. The price need to be touching at least yellow line, and like this one, no trade here, and then the price must be making higher low, right, for long, and then red candle turns blue, and I open the trade. My SL is always 25 pip. If it hits, it's hit. Thank you very much. And if it goes in my way, I have trades. I'm going to make, after this video, I'm going to make the weekly recap. I had almost 21 trades in last week, within 1 week. And some of those are big trades, like USD yen 180 pip. Pound CAD was probably 170 pip, something like that. So yeah, I'm going to show those trades. Every single trade is by the book, by the setup, nothing else. So if you learn that setup, that's it. You can pull the trigger. These setups show up different pairs all day long. All day long, you can find them here, there, different places. But you just have to learn it. That's it, how it is, right? All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get my next video quickly. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.